What's interesting to me about TAS is that it didn't start off with a product. The initiation of it was to talk to a lot of people in the industry, centre managers, practitioners, and find out what they really wanted in terms of the ability to communicate. And only when there was a good brief based upon very solid practical advice did they then start to create the product. And TAS was built upon modern technology, an IP platform, which does mean that it has a capability of interacting with other applications and systems in a very easy manner. It can be answered in two halves, really. There's the operational benefits, where improved communication between centre staff and retailers adds tremendously to the efficiency of the utility of the staff. I think that an awful lot of information does have to go to and fro between the centre management team and the retailer, and historically that did mean lots of people visiting lots of retailers, doing a fairly low value activity, just passing bits of paper, getting them signed for. So the ability to communicate through TAS directly and efficiently to all the retailers, both with text and with voice, and with an unimpeachable audit trail, is a very good thing. I think the other side is the more commercial side of things, the ability to collect information from retailers, the ability to give retailers information, and that information could be very valuable to improve performance.
Especially if a retailer is undertaking a promotion. Certainly with other tools that are available, pedestrian counting, etc., etc., those figures can be analysed and see just how effective that particular promotion has been.
I think like the Holy Grail will be looking at the overall footfall of the centre, then looking at how many people are going into the store, and then to measure off the overall sales, to measure, so if the promotion's going on, you'll be able to see exactly as a percentage from the overall footfall to the sales, to the, yeah.
Accountability of spend.
Yes, I think it's key.
I think going back to Anthony's first point about the operational side as well, the ability of TAS allowing you to target specific areas within a centre quickly, to talk to retailers in that area rather than do a massive activation of a centre, because that is all you can do, is very key. Also, it allows you to talk to retailers and staff discreetly when there is a situation starting to develop. But also, say, provide you the full audit trail post the incident to say, well, no, actually, we did perform as we should have performed, and we did carry out the necessary.
But also an audit trail during the incident. If you don't know whether someone has received that piece of information, then you've almost no choice but to send an individual to that store. I think that if you know
That's
during the
key,
incident that someone has or has not responded, then that can tailor your response a lot more efficiently. What's interesting to me about TAS is that
I can imagine it'd be a lot different product than it is now. I think it's because of the platform that it sits on, it's likely to be part of a suite of products